In this brief video, I'm going to show you why the FIT10 Quick Strength Trainer is the easiest and simplest and most effective way to build strength. I want you to read everything that's on the website so that you understand all the extraordinary things that the Quick Strength Trainer does. But just to give you an idea, let me show you how you would do a strength exercise to build up your arms, in this case a curl, all right? Now, watch that all I have to do is just pinch this line, and I can't move it at all. Even though I'm giving it everything I've got, I can't move it. Now I can release, and by how tightly I pinch, I can control how much resistance I need for that full range of motion. So what we do to make things quicker in building strength, you start out by doing a 10-second isometric contraction, okay, which is the quickest way to build strength, then release, and now move through the full range of motion. And notice that it's a constant resistance all the way through. And then I would repeat that 2 more times. So let me show you the difference between what I just did with a Quick Strength Trainer and say how you would do that same exercise with banding or tubing. The problem here is that I have to choose a resistance setting that may or may not be enough. In this case, it's not nearly enough, and I would have to do hundreds of repetitions to even come close to working my muscles as hard as I would like to. Also notice that it's not a constant resistance through the full range of motion. It's much easier here, gets harder here, and then it gets a little bit easier as it gets toward the top. So there I have to change. I go to one that's a little bit stronger, okay, but maybe it's too strong. So again, I can circumvent all of that with the Quick Strength Trainer. Same thing with weights. I choose a weight. Here, it's too light. Okay, as I get stronger, I have to go to a heavier weight. All right, then maybe it's too heavy. I've got to back off to find just the right one. Then as I get stronger, I'm just going to simply have to do either more repetitions or I'm going to have to do more weight. Plus, there's a tendency with the weight to cheat, you know, to get rocking, to try to get it up there, all right? And same thing here. Easier here, harder here, a little bit easier at the top. You don't get that smooth, even range of motion all the way through. So once again with a strength trainer, I put it here. Isometrically, I give it everything I've got for the count of 10, and then I work through that full range of motion, working as hard as I can all the way through, and I'm controlling exactly how much resistance that I need.